Welcome back. Today we are going to be making some cheese blintzes. Please leave a like, and if it's your first time here, please consider subscribing. In a blender, you're going to add eggs, oil, salt, sugar, flour, and milk. And then just blend it all together. You can do this with a machine, or you can do it by hand. In a separate bowl, you're going to want to add your farmer's cheese, your cottage cheese, your sugar, vanilla sugar, lemon juice, and cinnamon. You will then whisk everything together, and if you'd like a smoother consistency, you can use an electric blender. You're then going to spray a frying pan, and when it's nice and hot, you'll add about 1/4 of a cup of batter. You're going to want to even it out quickly to get a smooth crepe. You'll know it is ready when the top is all dry. You're then going to add about 2 tablespoons of your cheese mixture to the end of your crepe and fold it like this. You then want to pour some oil into a frying pan. Once it is hot, you will place your cheese blintzes straight in. You don't need to do this step, but it makes it much crispier on the outside. You can then add the toppings of your choice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.